gonna go with it. You see, I left my hair out right here. I need to get my ends clipped, but girl, we gonna go with what we got. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. Oh my goodness. So, yes. Hello lovies, welcome to girl, look like I'm going crazy. This is me and Grace. Say hi, Grace. You don't have your clothes on. Yeah, this is me and Grace. Welcome to our channel. We are going to be doing a quick look today. We aren't doing anything. We are going to do a little hair transformation right now. So if you want to see how we get this look, just keep on watching. Girl, you see my little pony up here? Yeah. I want to thank Mhot for, oh girl, let me get this right. I want to thank Mhot for sponsoring this video. You guys have been so patient with me. I certainly appreciate you. They are online. Girl, excuse me. I actually have worn their hair already, but I am going to show you guys a new look. Mhot, you can find them online. They have everything from kinky to silky, all sorts of colors. If you want to enhance your color of your hair, but you're not trying to dye it, girl, Mhot is the way to go. They are clip-ins, and they are just absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to show you all of the pieces. You see I already got these curled. I'm going to show you all the pieces you get in here. So this is the hair, and this is a khaki straight. Like I said, I've already worn it, so it is really beautiful. I don't have any product in it because you don't need any product. This is going to be really close to your hair texture. And the way this works, you see this little line right there? That's going to let you know, I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's going to let you know that you are not going to, this is not going to tear or wear out. They have nice secure clips. You get 1 4 clip, and then you get a, well actually, yeah, then you get like 3 clips. They have 3 clips, so you get those as well. So you get 2 of those, and I'm sorry guys, like I said, this hair was absolutely perfect. All you have to do is brush it. I didn't have to use any product on it, and I've worn this in a ponytail, I've worn it straight, I've added it to lace wigs. I've done all sorts of stuff with these hair pieces. That's how versatile they are. That's how beautiful it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna kind of wiggle this and get it down to my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and clip it. I'm gonna hold this while I do this middle piece. Again, I'm just gonna kind of wiggle it, clip it, and then for this piece, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna hold it here, I'm gonna wiggle it and clip it. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the next piece. So I'm doing the 3 at the bottom, and I am kind of, now if you had plaits, you could do this as well with plaits, but girl, I'm doing it with clip-ins. I'm going to go ahead again and use the 3. I'm going to just brush it out because like I said, I curled it. And you can see, I curled this like a couple of days ago, so you can see how well it takes a freaking curl. So I'm going to do the same thing again. You see I already got that piece down. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one, wiggle it, and you hear that pop? That lets you know that's in there. Alright, it's not coming out. I'm going to wiggle it a little bit and clip, and then I'm going to do the same thing over here, wiggle it and clip. You see that? That looks just, okay. You know that saying, feel yourself, I forgot that song. But there is a song out that I'm like loving. I haven't listened to many records these days, but I'm gonna go ahead again, make a part. And this time I am going to I'm just gonna brush this down here. I'm gonna try to get the 4-piece in there. So that's how it looks right there. You might see a little bit of demarcation between that and my real hair, but I'm gonna try to get this 4-piece in there. So let's brush it out. Yeah, I'm telling you, and this is dyeable. So if you want to dye, bleach, whatever, you can go ahead and do that with this hair. It is 100% human hair. Yeah, it's just fabulous. So again, this is the 4-clip. Nice clips, not little cheap clips. So I'm going to go ahead and turn around again and get my 4 clips in. I'm taking it with your selection. Now it doesn't look like I'm going to have enough room to do a 4 in there, so I'm just going to go ahead and start with my 2s. And I got some of this little spray here. It is the Wild Dream Coat spray. I got this from, I ain't spraying too much, girl, because you know my hair is natural. It'll get the curling up. But I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, look at how this looks in the back. I'm not kidding you guys. Look at that. Oh, I'm about to knock shit over. Oh my goodness. And I still have these little 1 pieces left, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do those. So I got these little tendrils up here that I just absolutely love. These are my little bangs, and I am going to just part these right like that, and I'm going to use these as my little tendrils. Okay, let me get this right. Okay, so I parted it, and now I'm going to do a little wiggle, and I'm going to clip it down like that. And then I'm gonna see if I don't know if I can get 2 pieces in here or not, but girl, I'm gonna try. Let me see. Okay, so I'm gonna part this again, right like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put these together like that, and then I'm gonna try one more, because these are small enough really. You see the curl? You see this curl? Look at this curl. I love these. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna kind of do this on an angle. I'm gonna wiggle it, clip it in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair with it. And I might have to go ahead and curl my hair. Yeah, a little bit on top. That last one I'm gonna have to curl it, but no big deal. Look at that. You see? It is the hairstyle right here. Like I said, you can put, if you don't want these on both sides, you can certainly put them on one side, which is the way I had it the other day. It kind of took away a little bit of forehead. So yeah, you can wear it like this, or you can wear it like this. Girl, oh my freaking goodness. Yes, yes. Look at this. Oh my goodness, look at the back. You see this? You see how beautiful that is? And let me stand up so you guys can see. You see where it comes? You see how pretty that is? I mean, this is 16 or 18 inches. You see how beautiful that hair is? And how nicely it blends in with my own hair. And my hair is just blown dry. There's no, I don't have any chemicals in it, no anything. Just, just blow dry. And see the front? See how versatile this can be? I mean, you can do your whole head with these clip-ins, and this is just one box. I'm going to put their link above so you can go and check them out. And remember, if you want to enhance your color and you're not sure if that's the color you want, try Mhot on the side. This is what it looks like from the wonderful back. You see how everything's so nicely blended, so nice and shiny. I love Mhot. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Make sure that you go and check them out. I'll put their link above, the link below. They have some beautiful colors. I will also link the ones that I got. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. And this is the perfect gift for you if you have somebody who wears weaves all the time and you just want to give your scalp a break and try something different with your natural hair out. I don't like to wear mine out a lot because I don't like putting heat on it and curlers and all that stuff. It's just not for me. So Mhot gives me an opportunity to do something, still look good, still be in my comfort zone. I still have to blow dry my natural hair, but girl, look how well it blends in. Just really, really nice. And besides that, I can put this in a ponytail if I choose. I can even push it up and put it in a ponytail. It's just on my placements of the clip-ins. So go check out Mhot. You are going to love the hair you're